Hey folks, Vic here. Here's a nice advanced candle action trade, ACAT as we call it. A trade setup, just like Darko taught in our ACAT webinar at the end of August. I'm actually going to show you 3 ACAT trades that set up today, October the 9th, 2019. And by the way, at the end of this video, I'll let you know where you can get Darko's Monday PMA, pre-market analysis video, absolutely free. But first, let's hear directly from Darko what he had to say in his PMA regarding the USD CAD pair.
The last ACAT for today is USD CAD. Be aware of the red flag news. Okay, we have a super bullish candle. Price hits this level of support. Go down to your entry time frame. There are several places. Price will probably react from this neckline. You have another neckline in here. Okay. Another neckline in here, whatever suits you and your risk appetite. This one has a potential to go up into this weekly level, so there are tons of potential on this trade. So that's basically 34-ish. Okay, so the reward is very, very good. So there are several places for you to enter in here, or in here with a low stop loss.
Okay, let's have a look at this US CAD trade that you just heard Darko talk about. We had come down to this level of support, like old resistance, now support. And then we had this bullish candle action, this blue candle right here. And so Darko went down to the 1 hour time frame, which is right here. And what did he say? He said to look for support. He showed several areas. He showed one area here. And he showed this is the one that he was looking to get in on right here. Okay, go back and look at it. Or he said you could have gone in down here. These are all possibilities, of course. And it just has to make sense from a reward to risk point of view. The stop went under here. It was a 25 pip risk in this trade. And, price reacted quite nicely from here and up it goes. He talked about red flag news. We have rules about that. This candle here was not red flag news, by the way. The red flag news was oil inventories, which came out later. In any event, up it's going here, and obviously we had zero risk in the trade by the time the oil inventories came out, and we're still hanging on to this, and it's an ongoing trade. And the target on it, so the entry was down at 133.05, okay? The target on it's going to be up here. This is 134. I mean, you got close to a 100 pip profit potential on this trade. If it goes, we don't know. Who knows? All you can do is put these trades on and manage them properly and see what happens. There were two other. This was an advanced candle action trade. Okay, we taught this. This was taught in the August 27th seminar that we had. There's information at the bottom of the in the text that's below this this video if you want to have a look at that. But anyway, let's have a look at there was a couple other trades that got filled today as well. One of them is on the Aussie yen, and this trade came in and we hit this level of see this old resistance, and then it was support and it broke it. Now it's resistance, and we have another pin bar reversal. This is our advanced candle action that we look for. And so we go down to our entry time frame, which is the 1 hour chart. This is all a matter of record, by the way. I mean, anybody who's in the coach's corner can go listen to the recording. We can't fake it or hide it after the fact or anything. This is where he talked about selling it. So the entry was around, let me see here, 72.35 at a high stop loss. And what's happened is it went against us here. Now it's come back down, and we never take full losses whenever we can help it. If your initial stop is over here, we'll move it down to below here. And so now we've just reduced our risk. And that makes a huge difference in your overall performance, by the way, not taking full losses on everything, because it makes it much easier to make back any losses in your account when you hit a couple of nice winning trades. Okay. And so this is ongoing. We'll see what happens with it. You know, we're not here to predict the outcome. We just have to find high odds trades and then put ourselves in a position to take advantage of it. This is the Swiss yen. On this pair, we had come up, see this level of support, really nice move off of here. Price went down, came and hit it, and we had this another pin bar reversal here. And so on our entry time frame, in his PMA video, pre-market analysis video, Darko said to sell it just around. When he says to sell it, this is not an alert service or trade recommendation. This is what we teach people to do. This is the levels that Darko identifies that makes sense from a reward to risk point of view. Okay, so the sell on here was identified around 107.87, and when price hit it, see how it came down like this? Remember I just said that we don't take full losses whenever we can help it. So instead of having your stop way up here, it was moved to down here and got stopped out. That was a 10 pip loss, right? 10 pips instead of what would have been 26 pips. These, like I say, folks, these things make gigantic differences in your account. And because if you had not done that, it would have actually hit your stop and taken us out for the full loss. So I hope that those ACAT examples are helpful. You can see how we trade around them. They're really powerful, and we've been doing this for some time now, and it's been working out quite well. We have losses too, by the way. Don't ever let anybody say, oh, we just have winning trades. Of course, that's ridiculous. But they've been overall working out very, very well. Hopefully that's helpful. So there you go, 3 ACAT trades for today. That's October the 9th, 2019. We had the Swiss yen, which was stopped out for a 10 pip loss. The Aussie yen still ongoing as I'm recording this. And of course the US CAD that so far looks quite promising. Hey, we never know, but at least, it doesn't have any risk in it now. It's a free look at it. If you want to get the free PMA video each Monday, there's a link in the text below this email. And that's all you have to do is just click it. Darko does the PMAs every day, of course, but at least if you just get the Monday one, you'll get a good idea about what he does and the information that he provides. If you like this video, if you'd be so kind as to hit the like button and follow us, I would be very grateful because, when you do that, it helps us extend our reach to other people interested in trading the Forex markets. And please go ahead, leave a comment or some feedback, even a question, and I'd be happy to get back to you. Thank you all so much. Take care.